This brilliant quality washing machine from Bosch is perfect if you want an energy-efficient model with fantastic features. It has a superb A++ energy rating, a 1600 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. This model features the Allergy Plus program that you can select with the simple twist of a dial. It removes 99% of allergens, such as dust mites or pollen, and it does this by using higher temperatures, more water, and a longer rinse, so it's perfect for hard-wearing fabrics like bedding. Bosch's EcoSilence Drive motor is quieter, more energy efficient and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the motor, it's great for open plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for an energy efficient model with fantastic features, this quality washing machine from Bosch is an excellent choice.